So this is how you can adjust the alarm sound on your iPhone. Naturally, you need to open up the clock app using which you set your alarms. And whenever you either click on an existing alarm or start a new one, you get some options to customize it. So let me just pick one from the list. I'm gonna click on it, and there are so many things I can change, like the time, the repeating frequency, label, but I can also find the sound right here. So if you tap on this, you have the ability to choose from your ringtones purchased from the iTunes Play Store. Then you have some default sounds, which might work good for a lot of people. You can pick from the built-in options, but you also have the songs section. So this just randomly selects some of the popular songs that you listen to through Apple Music, but you can also pick a song and it just opens up the music app, and you literally can look up your library and choose any kind of song which you like, and this can be used as an alarm. So you need to just click on save, and this is going to be the new sound for your alarm on the iPhone. Besides that, you can use a third-party app for alarms in general, right? And these other apps might have different settings or different sounds preloaded, so you can play around with this too, right? So there are some more options. As I say, there is also an alarm clock for Spotify. So it is an interesting app, and it essentially just connects your Spotify account with this app, and it just lets you wake up to any song from your Spotify library. So if you use that, you might just be interested in this option as well. So go ahead and check it out, and this is another possibility for you. But I'm gonna wrap up the video right now. Hopefully you managed to figure it out for yourself. Hit the thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll see you in the future.